Hi, kids. Today I'm going to tell a story about the strength of unity, so let's get started. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled deep within a dense forest, there lived a humble woodcutter named Mr. Brown. He had 7 sons, each as strong and hardworking as their father. The family lived a simple life, relying on the wood Mr. Brown collected from the forest to make a living. One day, a terrible storm swept through the village, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. The storm had uprooted many trees, blocking the roads and causing chaos. The villagers were in despair, unable to clear the debris and restore their village to its former state. Mr. Brown and his sons knew they had to do something to help their fellow villagers. They gathered their tools and set out to clear the roads. The first son, John, used his strength to move the fallen trees aside. The second son, Peter, used his sharp axe to chop the branches into smaller pieces. The third son, David, used his creativity to build makeshift bridges over the flooded areas. The fourth son, Michael, used his agility to climb trees and remove any dangerous branches. The fifth son, William, used his knowledge of engineering to reinforce the damaged structures. The sixth son, Thomas, used his patience to guide the villagers and keep them safe. And the youngest son, Benjamin, used his kindness to offer food and water to those in need. As the woodcutter's sons worked together, their efforts multiplied. They cleared the roads faster than anyone could have imagined. The villagers were amazed at their unity and strength. They joined in, helping one another, and soon the village was restored to its former glory. The moral of the story is that unity is strength. The woodcutter's sons showed that when people come together and work towards a common goal, they can achieve great things. Each son had a unique skill, but it was their collective effort that made the difference. Just like the 7 sons, when we stand united, we can overcome any obstacle that comes our way. And so, the village learned the importance of unity and carried this lesson with them for generations to come. The story of the woodcutter's sons became a legend, reminding everyone that no matter how big or small, when we work together, we are stronger.